Good morning everyone. Post in the group. We'll start around 6:18 like that. Post in the group. Let's come everyone. Good morning. Good morning all. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Hi, Ishak. Hi. Can we go ahead? Call Ishak. Post in the group. Hi, Bharadwaj. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Bharadwaj. Hope you completed everything. Hope you people completed everything. What is the today's date? I am writing the problem. What will be the today's date? Let me write. Let me write once. I think today's date is, I think 14, I think so. 14, 4, 26. 14, 4, 26. Okay, let me write. Int main float C is equal to 70, 20, 90, 40. Next one is, I think 18, 36. Some numbers. I want to give approximately 6 numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me know, is audio, video, everything okay? Check. Just I'm writing the problem. I'm writing the problem. Let me write the problem. Next one is float star A is equal to C plus 1, C plus 3, C plus 4, C plus 2, C plus 5. Yeah, I think 5. All are done. 4 also done, 3 also done, 2 also done, 1 also done. Yes, perfect. Next one, float star b is equal to a. Afterwards, b plus 2. Afterwards, star b plus 1. Afterwards, star b plus 2. Afterwards, printf b minus a star b minus c. Next one, star b. Next one, plus star plus b. Next one, star star b plus 2. Afterwards, printf b minus a star b minus c star b. End of the program. Right, perfect. This is the given problem. Can you go ahead? Can you go ahead? Whatever best possible by you, can you solve? Whatever best possible, can you solve? Today's class, in my opinion, today's class just started now. Today's class just started now. So I written, see, as soon as I came, 14/4/26, I written the date. I started writing the program. And one more thing is, sir, suddenly you started this problem. You can see this. Reddy, sir, you suddenly started. No, it is not. Whatever is the yesterday's problem, continuation. Similar problem, one more problem I given. Whatever is the yesterday's problem I given. Similar problem, continuation. Right? So please go ahead. It is a continuation of previous problem. One or two doubts are there. This will clarify. In the previous problem, sir, I have some doubts. This will clarify. Please go ahead. Please go ahead, everyone. Everyone, please go ahead. Yeah, go ahead now. I'm going to give answer. You please try first. Yeah, I hope you people done. I hope you people done. Good morning everyone. Good morning. I hope you people done. 0120. Someone saying 0120. Let me give answer. My answer. Let me go. Someone is saying 14 because two printfs, right? Two printfs. In one printf, 3 values, another printf 3. Totally 6 values will be printed. Totally 6 values, right? I will check. Once where you went wrong, where you are unable to do, right? So I'm going to do this once. I'm going to do. Yeah. So let's start. One time say good morning, everyone. One time say good morning, everyone. Before going to start, can you say one time good morning? Everyone make it fast. Everyone say good morning one time. We can start. Your answer is, some people are given different answer. Different people given different answer. So, but actually 6 values. Actually 2 printfs are there, right? 2 printf. But it is not new also. It is a continuation of the previous problem. It is a continuation of the previous problem, right? Let's go ahead. It is a continuation of the previous problem. Let's go ahead. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. Let's go ahead. Everything is ready. Let's go ahead. Yeah. So as usual, for this I am writing the diagram. Can you help me? Float. So if you observe clearly, the way of reading is C is a array. C is a array which contains 6 slots because of 6 people there. 6 people there. C is a array which contains 6 slots where everyone is a float. So C is a array. Don't by heart anything. Meaningfully study. C is a array. C is a array. Okay. Which contains 6 slots. C is a array which contains 6 slots where everyone is a float. Float means 4 bytes. I think float is 4 bytes, 6 people. I think 6 4s, 24 bytes of memory will be created. It is 1000. It is 1004, 1008, 1012, 1016, 1020. Right? So these are the things. I think everyone is 4 bytes. Please check once. And the data, if you observe clearly, 70, 20, 90, 40, 18, 36. Okay, fine. I think until now everyone is fine now. Right? Next one. That is over. Can you see the second one? Go to the operand directly. When you are reading anything, directly go to operand, either expression or declaration. When you are reading, directly go to operand. To this operand purpose, 2 people fighting, star also, bracket also. Right? Bracket is the highest priority in the table. So A is a array because it is array bracket. A is a array where A is a array which contains 6 slots, right? Which contains 6 people. Okay, where everyone is a pointer to float, means float pointer, where everyone is a pointer to float or a float pointer, whatever you want, you can call it as. Let me try this. I think C, it's a A. It is A. C A. So 6 people. 3 people here. 3 people here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to be, I think, a 2000. Remember everyone, inside everyone is address. See, A is a array which contains 6 slots where everyone is a pointer to float. Means float pointer, na? Everyone is 8 bytes. Everyone 8 bytes. So 2000, 2008, 2016, 2024, 2032, 2040. Right? And one more, if you observe clearly here, everywhere you are expecting addresses. Remember, if I go to that address, float required, but here if you observe, everywhere floats are there. Everywhere float. Some people are asking how 70 is a float, sir. How 70 is a float, sir? Some people want to ask me how 70 is a float. Very simple. Anything which can store in 4 bytes, that is a float. Anything which can store in 4 bytes, that is going to be a float, right? So you have something, can you store that one in 4 bytes? That is a float. So one more interesting thing. Sir, that is actually integer. How can you say float? Integer 2 bytes enough, na? So if something can be stored in 4 bytes, that is a float, right? But can you say 2 bytes data can't I store in 4 bytes? The remaining bytes I will keep zeros. So remember, if something can store in 2 bytes, it can store in 4 bytes also. The only thing is space may be wasted. But remember, if anything you can store in 4 bytes, that is going to be a float. I have something, can I keep in 4 bytes? That is a float. Sir, actually 2 bytes enough. Na? Why are you storing in 4 bytes? True. Space may be wasted, but one thing, if something can be managed with the help of 2 bytes, you can manage with 4 bytes also. Some space may be wasted, but you can do it. I want to say that 70 is an integer, but it is a float also, because you can store in 4 bytes. If something can be stored in 2 bytes, it can store in 4 bytes also. If something can be stored in 1 byte, it can store in 4 bytes also. So char also float. The only thing is space may be problem. That is the reason when I want to store 1 byte, na, I will select char. If I want to store 2 bytes, na, I will select integer. If I want to store in 4 bytes, na, I will select float. Normally, I don't waste space. You also don't waste space. You have 4 bytes you want to store. Declare as float. You have 2 bytes you want to store. Declare as int. You have 1 byte you want to store. Declare as a char. Right? Declare as a char. So you have 1 byte you want to store. Declare as a char and store. One more way, declare as an integer and store. And one more way, declare as a float and store. Because if something can be stored in 1 byte, it can be 2 bytes also. It can store in 2 bytes also. It can store in 4 bytes also. So it is something like this. You want 1 rupee. You asked mama, papa 1 rupee. They given to you 2 rupees. You will very happy. They given 4 rupees. Very happy. Right? You asked only 1 rupee. They given more. That's okay. So 1 rupee you asked, they given 1 rupee, that is also okay. 1 rupee you asked, they given 2 rupee, that is also okay. 1 rupee you asked, they given 4 rupees, that is also okay. But where the problem is, you asked 2 rupee, they given 1 rupee, that is the issue. So that time we cannot do anything. You asked 2, they given 1. I think it is a serious issue. But you asked 2, they given 4. No issue at all. You will say, my mama papa is a good. My mama papa is a great people, because you ask 2 rupees, they given 4 rupees. You feel mama papa, I love you so much, because they given more money. You will touch their feet also. You may do social media post also. I like my mama papa like anything, right? After parents only everything. But social media people, they may not know what exact reason behind, right? You have to say the reason also. 2 rupees I asked, they given 4 rupees. So my mama papa is great, they are the best people on this earth. You will say some Bhagavad Gita, you will say some story. So what I mean to say is, when you ask something, they given more. No issue at all, right? Fine, right? No conversion, nothing. The only thing is it possible or not? He will check. Is it possible or not? Is it possible or not? They will check. If it is possible, they will store. If not possible, they may give error message and all. Now come to here. Everything is ready. Come to here now. Everything is ready. So inside every person, 88 bytes store. Now everyone expecting address. If I go to that address, there should be a required float. So let's check one by one. Remember everyone. In the array, +1 means one element will skip. C actually 1000. C +1 means 1004. C +1 is 1004. Next one, C +3. I think everyone is right. I think everyone is 4 bytes. Na? C +3. I think 1012. Skipping 3 people. So 1016. Skipping 4 people. So remember, C +4 means skipping 4 people. In the C, from starting, skipping 4 people. So 1000. And one more, C +2, 1008. C +5, 1020. And remember everyone. Everyone is address. Means everyone is a pointer. Address means pointer. Everyone is a address. Address means pointer. And one more, whatever address they given, you are pointing there. 1004, you are pointing to 1004. Actually, remember this, these green lines are not there. For your convenience, for my convenience, I written. Actually, those green lines are not there. Only for our convenience. 1004, right? You are a pointer, I given 1004. You will point to 1004. So you are right. So you are a pointer. You are given, I given the address as 1012. Whatever address I given, you will point there. Whatever address I given, you will point there. Right? Whatever address I given, you will point there. Whatever address I given, you will point there. Whatever address I given, you will point there. That's it. Check. This is called array of pointer. First one, array of float data. Second one, array of float addresses. Both are arrays, right? C also array, A also array. But C is array of float data. But A is array of float pointers. Fine. I think until now everyone is perfect. Until now everyone is perfect. Let me know if anyone having any issue till now. Reddy sir, I have some issues, right? Please let me know. Remember, I have 4 bytes. What I can store inside? I have 4 bytes. What I can store inside? You can store inside 4 bytes. Well and good. 1 also okay. 2 also okay. If somewhere 3 bytes there, 3 bytes also okay. What I mean to say is up to 4 I can store anyone. Anyone I can store up to 4 bytes. 4 means not exactly 4. You can store below also, no issue. You can store below also, no issue, because it is possible. That is the reason. Until now, everyone is fine. See, this is the meaning of, this is the actually meaning of something like data structure. How data will store. Array is a one kind of data structure. In the C language, array is one kind of data structure. Why? You are able to store data in that. So it is a data structure. See, this is the how data structure will be done. So remember memory creation done with the help of declaration. Declaration purpose is creating memory. How memory creating? I showed to you. But when you say array, continuous. When you say array, everyone is same size. Everyone is same size. Array means continuous. Right? And one more, array means same size. See, everyone is data, 4 bytes. Everyone is address, 8 bytes. So in the array, you cannot store different people. In the array, you cannot store different people. Right? Fine. Okay. Let's come to third. And one more thing, in the declaration, always my request to all the people. Always my request to all the students. All the student, my humble request in the declaration, don't see assignment operator right side. See assignment operator left side. If you see right side, it may create some ambiguity to you. If you see assignment operator right side, you may interpret some other way. Assignment purpose is assigning. Assignment purpose is assigning. It's not declaration, right? If you want to see declaration, assignment operator before C. I think if you observe clearly, B is a variable. Don't see on the right side. Float star B. B is a variable. See, B don't have bracket. B is a variable. Let me write it. B is a variable. Let me write it. Okay. B is a variable. How many bytes? I think inside B you want to store addresses. See, float star B. Address 8 bytes. Address 8 bytes. But what is storing? Let's check. So inside B, you have to store address of address. Means B is a double pointer. But what is storing? Let me know. A, array name means base address. 2000 you are storing. So because of you are storing 2000, I will go to 2000. But remember once, inside B, you are storing 2000, which is a address. Because of that reason, 1 star. Inside B, you are storing 2000, which is address. So 1 star. If I go to 2000, inside 2000, one more address, 1 more star. If I go to 1004, inside there is a data, float data. So float. There is a float. See why it is. See this one. You have to see this one. This size is 4 bytes. Don't see that data. Don't see that data. Right? It is 4 bytes. Inside 4 bytes you are storing. It is a float. Sir, it is 20. Na? You may think like that. That is a problem with the eyes. That is a problem with the eyes. Don't see with eyes. So just when you say 1004, inside 1004, if you go, it is a 4 bytes. It is a 4 bytes. What you stored? Depending upon your requirement, you may store whatever you want. You can store char, you can store int, you can store float, whatever you want. But this size is 4 bytes. 1004 inside, if you go, there is a 4 byte space. 1008, if you go inside, there is a 4 byte space. 1012, if you go inside, there is a 4 byte space. So that is the reason. Inside 1004, what is there? What is the size of this slot? 4 bytes. Oh, float. That is the reason. Don't see with eyes. So that's what I am saying to you. Everyone listen. That's what I am saying to you. Right? Declaration, assignment operator. Right hand side, don't see. It will confuse you. Don't see right side. See left side. Oh, C is a float data. Oh, A is A. A is A. Float pointers. Array of float pointer. Oh, B is A. B is a float double pointer. So YB is a double pointer. Inside B address. If I go to that address, again address. If I go to second time inside address, I will get the 4 bytes. Oh, 4 bytes means float. See the declaration also. Inside C, if you go, everyone is a float. Okay, until now, everyone is comfortable. I know very well. Now, before proceeding further, I want only one thing. On the board, how many variables? How many arrays? On the board, how many variables, how many arrays? Can you go ahead? It is a continuation of the previous problem. This is continuation of the previous problem. I am not saying anything new here. It is a continuation of the previous problem. Can you go ahead? On the board, how many variables, how many arrays? Make it fast. 2 arrays, 1 variable. 1 variable, 2 arrays. Right? 1 variable, 2 arrays. Okay, fine. Can you help me now? Who are the variable? Who are the arrays? Can you go ahead that also? Every time you have to clarify this. Otherwise, you may give wrong answers. Every time you have to clarify this. Otherwise, you may give wrong answers. Otherwise, you will give wrong answers. Every time you have to clarify this. Otherwise, you may give wrong answer. You are saying 2, right? You are saying 1 variable, 2 arrays. Who are those? Who are those? I think CA is array, B is a variable. Okay. Next one. Can you help me now? Print ABC. What will print? Proceed further. Print ABC. What will print? Print ABC. What will print? Print ABC. What will print? Make it fast. Print ABC. What will print? I think print A will print 2000. Print B, I think 2000. Print C, 1000. 2000, 2000, 1000. 2000, 2000, 1000. Print ABC. A array na 2000. Right? B variable na inside 2000. C array na 1000. Print ABC 2000, 2000, 1000 will be printed. 2000, 2000, 1000 will be printed. Okay, perfect. Until now, everything is perfect. Until now, everything is perfect. If you are okay, let's see this. If you are okay, let's see this. Until now, everything is fine. If you are okay, I will proceed further. See, make sure everyone, you may give wrong answer. You may give. So it's very, very important. Meanings are very, very important. Meanings are very, very important. Meanings are very, very important. Please try to understand. Everything ready. Variable means inside, array means outside. In the C, if I do +1, in the C +1, 4 bytes will increase. In the A, if I say +1, 8 bytes will increase. In the C +1, 4 bytes will increase. In the A, if I say +1, 8 byte will increase. But in the B is a variable. Remember, wherever he is pointing, right? Pointer variable increment is based on wherever he is pointing, right? If I say +1, he will point to, right? He will point to next slot. Wherever he is pointing, if I say +1, it will point to next slot. I think everything is ready. This is completed. Let me use another color. This is completed. This is completed. This is completed. Be careful. Small mistake also, you will give wrong answer. Small mistake also. Can you see this one? Variable means inside. B 2000. Variable means inside. B 2000. What is 2000 plus 2? Remember, wherever he is pointing, plus 2 means skipping 2 people. So here, right, which will goes to, right, 2000 plus 2, 2000 plus 2, 2016. 2 people skip. Right, my increment is based on where I am pointing. Wherever I am pointing, right, I think every person is 8 bytes. If I do plus 2, 2 people will skip. But interesting answer, interesting answer, interesting answer. Be updated or not? Someone is saying that why B will print 2000, why not 3000? So remember, variable means inside or outside. Yeah, true, I understood. That is the reason I repeated again and again. That is the reason I repeated again and again. That can you say variable means inside or outside? Variable means inside or outside? Variable means inside. Inside. Array means outside. So B is a variable, na? See, B is not a array. B is a variable. B is a variable. B is a variable. Variable means inside. Inside what is there? 2000. Inside 2000 there. Outside 3000 there. Outside, array means outside. So, array outside. Array outside. Variable inside. Right? That is a fundamental thing. Now see the interesting story. See the interesting story. B is 2000. Right? It means it is pointing to 2000. When you say B plus 2, 2 people you have to skip. Wherever he is pointing, I think there everyone is 8 bytes. If I say plus 2, right, 2 people will skip. It will go to, I think, 2016. But important thing, B will not update. Only for namesake. Only to bluff you. Remember, only to bluff you we done. See, finally 2016, no one taking. See, no assignment, nothing. No one taking. To bluff you. Only to bluff you. Just bluffing is going on. Just only bluffing is going on. Remember everyone, only bluffing is going on. Only to bluff you it is there. Only to bluff you it is going on. Okay, perfect. So no effect at all. See, B is equal to B plus 2. B plus 2 both are different. These two are not same. These two, here B will not update. Here B will update. B plus 2 different. B is equal to B plus. It is a bluffing. It is a bluffing. It is a bluffing I am saying to you. Gate person normally will bluff. Using his experience, he will bluff. Using experience, he will bluff. So that is the reason in the EPT. So all the questions normally in the test series and the RIC course, if you see, lot of bluffing is there. If you see RIC course, most of the last year out of 65 questions, 49 questions came in GATE examination from the EPT resources. Many students are commented, almost like 49 questions out of 65. So many bluffings are there. GATE people are so experienced people, they bluff like anything. They will do bluffing like this. They will do bluffing like this. So if you see the RIC also, there is a lot of bluffing. So if you complete any subject, please do RIC of that subject. You completed anything, please do RIC of that subject. Because a lot of bluffing is there. All bluffing things I kept in the RIC course. Please do that. Please do that also. Do PYQs and do RIC. Please do PYQs and do RIC. RIC contain most bluffing questions. Whichever questions you feel bluffing, those are there. So now see, so it is a bluffing. It is a bluffing. Rank improvement course, practice course. Rank improvement course, practice course. So most bluffing questions will be there in that. Right? Fine. Rank improvement course, practice course is there. Practice course. Right? You can ping me afterwards. I will help you. Right? Now come here. Now come here. Everything is ready. Everything just practice course. What I mean to say is bluffings are there. Bluffings. It is a bluffing one. B plus 2. It's a bluffing. B not updating. What purpose he written this line? Other than bluffing, what purpose he written? Other than, you only say, other than bluffing, what purpose he written? See, B not updated. No one is printing also. No one using also. No one using, no one printing. It is almost bluffing. Now see one more bluffing. Can you see the one more bluffing? See the one more bluffing. B is 2000. B is 2000. B purpose, star also fighting, plus also fighting. Winner is star, star 2000. The value inside 2000. So 1004. 1004 plus 1. How much? Remember, see this one. It is a 1004. See everyone, 1004. Plus 1 means wherever he is pointing is a pointer. Wherever he is pointing, plus 1, he will point to next. It is a 1008. Wherever, so you are, see, 1004. I am at inside. See, star 2000 means I came inside. I am at here. Like how I am here. Previously, I am at here. Now I am at here. I am at here. At this place, if I say I am at inside, remember I am inside. I am inside. Whenever you are inside 1004, you are pointing to 1004. Plus 1, you will point to 1008. Because I am a pointer, my performance is based on, right, where I am pointing. I am pointing 1004, where 4 bytes. If I say plus 1, next 4 bytes. But interesting thing is, it is a 1008, that's okay. But no updation here. There is no assignment. When you say updation, some assignment is needed. No assignment. So it is also bluffing again. It is also bluffing again. It is also bluffing again. Please be careful. Now see one more. B is 2000. Variable means inside. Star B, the value inside 2000, 1004. Star 1004, the value inside 1004. Remember, the value inside 1004, 20. As of now, you got 20. It is a data, na? It's a float data, char data, any data, doesn't matter. It is a data. Data plus 2 is data, 22. It will be 22. But the interesting thing is no updation. 22. 22. Okay? Am I right? Let me know if anyone having any issue. 22, but no one taking, no one printing. No one is taking, no one is printing. No one taking, no one printing. These all are bluffing. Why star B plus 1 not updated? So how I will update? Where I will update? Where is the assignment? Where he said assignment? Just he done some calculation using that data, right? Ankit, whatever you are saying, I am very happy. See this one. I enter inside that data. I took the data. For that data, I added plus 1, but nowhere updated. Nowhere updated. You only say how I will update. See this. If I do like this, star B is equal to something here, then I can say star B is equal to star B place I am keeping. Now, one small question. So don't first see the first thing. B means what? You are inside or outside? Make it fast. B means you are inside or outside? B plus 2. B means you are inside or outside? Everyone try. B means you are inside or outside? Inside. B means inside. So B means 2000. Listen, B means 2000. You are inside. Remember, you are at here. B means 2000. You are at here. You are at here. Everyone try to understand. You are at here. You are at here. You are inside only. B plus 2. It is a 2016. So I cannot update. It is not B is equal to B plus 2. B means you are inside only. Because of you are inside, if I do B plus 2, you cannot update. In the similar way, star B, you are inside only. You are at here. Like how you are at here, you are at here. If I do plus 1, I cannot update this. I cannot until unless there is a assignment, I cannot update. Is it okay? I am inside. If I say plus 1, you cannot update me. Just keep assignment operator. Then you can update. Is it okay? Can I move next? It's a very good question. Very good question. Very good question. I know it is a trap. GATE exam is full of traps. GATE exam is full of traps. It's a full of traps. Traps will be there. So I think GATE exam is full of traps. Gate exam and a pointer, it's a very nice combination. They will bluff like anything. They will bluff like anything. Gate exam itself is bluffing. Gate exam plus pointer, it's a nice bluffing. After gate exam is over, students will become pagal. Arey, assignment there. Assignment there. Oh, arey, here no assignment here. Arey, Bharadwaj, here no assignment here. You could have said to me before in the exam, you could have said there is no assignment and all. Bharadwaj will say, I also don't know. I also done assign. I also thought assignment is there. I also done. Everyone discussion is this one. After gate exam, when two friends will meet, this only discussion. Bharadwaj will say, star B +1. I updated. Who said to you update? Arey Bharadwaj, who said to you update? Gootle. Who said to you update? Where is the equal operator? You may be feeling bad. See, all the people who don't do practice, they will do these mistakes. All the people who don't do practice, because the people who don't do practice, they will do practice in gate exam. Some people will do practice before exam. Some people will do practice in exam. Right? Some people, see, 95% people will do practice in gate exam. 95% people will do right, practice in gate exam. Right? And one more thing, in my opinion, 3% people, whoever writing the gate examination, approximately 3% people will do practice before exam. 3% people will do before exam. 95% people will do in exam. And there are some pigs also there. There are some pigs. After gate exam is over, next minute onwards, they will do practice. Arey, this question what? This question, how it came? Can you explain how it came? Arey, buffoon. After exam is over, what you want? After exam, some buffoons after exam is over, they want clear explanation. How this came? How answer 5 came? How 7 came? How 9 came? Arey bhaiya, exam is over here. After exam is over, they will be serious. Sir, Reddy sir, I want to know. How 7 came. Reddy sir, I want to know why updation not there. B+2 will update, na? Star B+2 will update. Arey bhaiya, after exam is over, what you want? Exam is over. If government will give licensed revolver to me, if government will give, Modi ji will give licensed revolver, do you know? First thing what I will do is, those people who are practicing after gate exam is over. Assume gate exam is over 1 o'clock. 12 o'clock gate exam is over. 12.01 onwards, people will start the practicing. Some buffoons are there. If Modi ji will give licensed revolver, my first goal is right, 12.01. Whoever is practicing, I will just shoot everyone. 12.01, 12.02, 12.03, all 12.01, 12.02, everyone just shooting only. Do now, yaar. Do now. See, someone, Ankit asked me. He's a nice boy. Ankit asked me how it is not changed. Why it is not changed? I am very happy. To give answer, because now you are asking. In gate exam, you cannot ask. You don't know. After gate exam is over, you don't know. Right? See, you don't know. All the people will praise the question paper. Arey, what kind of traps, yaar? Arey, many traps are there, yaar. Many traps are there. In the, sir, Reddy sir, how the, I will ask question paper. How the question paper? There is so many tricky questions here. So many. Gate itself is tricky, yeah. No need to praise the question paper. Some people will write gate exam to praise the question paper. Some people will write the gate exam only to praise the question paper. Gate paper is very, very interesting, yeah. Gate paper is so crazy, right? Sir, I also ask good questions, but you ignore. Where I ignored? Where I ignored, buffoon? Where I ignored you? Every time every time coder guy, I said. Yesterday night also you came in my dream. Yesterday night also you came in my dream. You are asking some questions. But I have a revolver. Just I killed and I slept. Yesterday night also, I in my dream you came and you were asking some shit questions, some nonsense questions you are asking. I have a revolver. Just I shoot you and I slept again. You right? Just I shoot you and I slept. Okay, fine. Let's come here. So let's everyone praise coder guy. Coder guy, you are a very good person. Can you praise? Can you praise? Everyone praise the coder guy. Coder guy, you are a nice person. You are asking nice questions. Can you praise him? You want recognition. You want recognition. Can you praise him? Coder guy, you are cache memory. Okay. Can you praise him? Really is asking good questions. I understood. That is the reason. Immediately I also started praising. Coder guy, you are a nice person. Yeah. Thank you. Keep asking. Right? Don't relax. Keep asking. Okay, fine. Let's move. Everything ready? See this one. Everything ready? Be careful, everyone. Everything ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See, B plus 2 star, B plus 1 star, star, B plus 2. All these three people done some changes, but no effect. It is a trap. Please try to understand. You don't need to cry. When you keep on practicing traps, one day you will be all right. Initially, so pain will come. Afterwards, no pain. Afterwards, no pain. Initially, lot of pain will come. Afterwards, no pain. Don't worry. Everything all right. Everything all right. From now onwards, be careful. From now onwards, be careful. Can you see the first printf? Can you see the first printf? B is variable means inside. B is 2000. A is also 2000. 2000 minus 2000. 0. Can anyone help the two addresses which I subtracted, are they belongs to same array? The two addresses which you are subtracting, are they belongs to same array? Remember, same array addresses only you can subtract. Same array addresses only you can subtract. Please be careful. If you are subtracting two addresses, same array addresses only you can subtract. I don't know why balloons are coming. I don't know. Is there any issue? Some balloons came in my class. I think YouTube itself is enjoying my class. Some balloons are came. YouTube itself is enjoying. I think someone from YouTube team is listening my lecture. I think so. Someone from YouTube team, they are listening my lecture. I think so. Otherwise, how balloon? I didn't ask to the YouTube bhaiya, can you give balloons and all? I didn't ask. Sir, you are in Mela. Okay. Fine. Perfect. Okay. Now come here. Now see, if you are subtracting two addresses, those two addresses should be belongs to same array. Same array. Those two people belongs to same array. 2000. Where is the 2000? Here. Where is the A? Which is the 2000? Here. Both are here. So because of both are here, you subtracted, you got 0. See, but remember, wherever those two addresses are belongs to, in that particular array, one element size how much? 8 bytes. Divided by 8. Finally 0. So remember, subtraction between two pointer will give number of elements present between them. Subtraction between two pointers will give number of elements present between them. Some people are asking, if you don't divide by 8, what is that number? If you don't divide, you will get the size. If you want number of elements, size by one element, right? So total memory size you will get. Divide by one element size. Total memory by one element size will give number of element. Suppose isn't that total cost is 100 rupees. Total cost is 100 rupees. Assume total cost is 100 rupees, right? But remember, one person cost 20. So 100 by 25. That means there are five things I bought. Total cost Total cost of apples which I bought is 100 rupees. But one apple cost is 20 rupees. 100 by 25 means 5 apples I bought. Same thing here also. Right? Same thing. When you subtract, I want number of elements. Then what you do is, when you do immediate subtraction, you will get the size of memory. Memory size, how much is there between them? You will get memory size. Divide by one element size. Then you will get the total elements present. Subtraction should give number of elements. Subtraction will give number of elements. Right? So be careful. So I think 0 came 0 by 8. Why 8? In that array where these two addresses are available, in that array one element size 8 bytes, divided by 8. Okay, fine. Now come here. Can you see this one? Star B minus C. So B is 2000. Star and minus. Star is the winner. Star 2000, which is going to be 1004. 1004 minus, what is the C? C means 1000. 1004 minus 1000. 1000, which is going to be 4. Remember, 1004 also in this array. 1000 also in this array. They both are belongs to same array. Then only you can subtract. You got 4. But remember, this is the size. But I want to know number of element. Divide by, right? What is the one element size in this array? 4. 4 by 4. 1 element. This is the size. This is also right, but size. But I want elements. Subtraction purpose is element. So this is the size, total size by what is the one element size? 4. So finally number of elements are 1. Subtraction will give number of elements. Next one, B 2000. Star 2000, 1004. Star 1004, the value inside 1004, 20. So the first printf is going to be 0, 1, 0, 1, 20. The first printf is going to be 0, 1, 20. Output 0, 1, 20. Okay, that is perfect. This is completed. I think some more traps are there. Please be careful. These are traps or not, you will get the clarity. Everyone listen. These are traps or not. Everyone listen. These are traps or not. Can you listen this? These are traps or not. Everyone observe. These are traps or not. So any expression you are doing, any expression or any declaration you are doing, please start from left hand side. Stop at first operand. Start from left hand side. Stop at first operand, because without operand you cannot do anything. Stop at first operand. I think here only one operand, one person there. Stop at operand first. First operand stop. Okay, stop. I started from left hand side. No operand. I came to operand first. Okay. After reaching operand, I think no fighting is there. Directly plus B. Can you see everyone? It is a plus B. It is a plus B. What is the meaning? B is equal to B plus 1. E will update. And one more thing, it is a pre-incrementation. After B there, it is the post-incrementation. B plus different, plus B different. It is a pre-incrementation. So I think it became, wherever is there, it will point to next. So it will become 2008. It will update also. And the important thing is, it will update also. It is a B plus, it is a plus B. It will update. So it is going to be 2008. So afterwards, see this one, it is a 2008. Afterwards, star 2008. The value inside 2008, 1012. Again star. The value 1012. The value 1012. So 40. Remember everyone. B is a double pointer. See this one. B is a double pointer. Already 2 stars are over. You will get the data. So you are inside here. You are at here. Remember, now I am at 40. Previously, I am at here. Because of 2 stars, finally, I am at here. Star 1012, 40. I am at here. Listen, wherever you are at here, wherever you are. Again, plus. Remember, plus. What is the meaning of plus? In the 40 place, keep 41. Plus means inside there is an assignment operator. It is a 41. This line also updated because of plus. Now can you see this? Right? See this one. Star plus star B plus 2. B plus 2. B is 2008. Plus 2. Everyone observe. B 2008. What is the plus 2? B 2008, right? As of now, plus 2 means from wherever you are, skip 2 people. This one skip, this one skip. You will be here. But important thing is, right? So B plus 2, I think it became 2024. 2 people you skipped 2024. Important thing is B will not update. Remember, B will not update. Is simply B plus 2. 2024 star 2024 star 2024 1000 star 2024. So 1000. I am at here. Wherever you are, see this one. Wherever you are, he is pointing here. Plus. I think wherever he is pointing, I remember it will change. Wherever he is pointing, he will point to next. Here. He don't point here. Remember, these arrows are for your purpose only. Simply, it will update to 1004. Nothing is there. It's a 1004. Let me write here. 1004. Right, fine. Next one. Star 1004. Update also there. Again star 1004. 20. So, if you observe clearly, only one plus. So, only one update. Which update it is? Here. This is the update. Here update after one star. See, without any star, if you update, he will change here. With one star, if you update, he will change here. With 2 stars update, he will store here. He will change here. 2 stars update here. 1 star update here. No star update here. If you observe clearly here, no star update here. If you observe here, after 1 star update here. So if you observe, I think here, see, after 2 stars update, here it will update. Different level you can update. So no star is there, direct update. After 1 star update here, after 2 star update here. So like that it happened. But remember, B not updated. It's a B plus 2, B not updated. Further, after 1 star over, you went somewhere, there plus. Okay, fine. This is the current status. Now can you see this printf? Everyone can see this printf. Whatever mistakes you are doing, please rectify. I done 500 times, maybe 1000 times also. I will do. I am also human. I may do less mistakes. I am also human. I will do less mistakes because many times I done. You are doing first time, you will do more mistakes. If you do one more time, I think most of your mistakes you can rectify. If you do few more times, that is the reason more practice you do, right? More gentleman you are, or a gentlewoman. More practice you do, you will become more gentleman, or more human being, or more perfect, I can say. Right? See this one, B minus A. If you are doing any mistake, you no need to feel bad. You are doing any mistake, you no need to feel bad at all. It's a part and parcel of the game. No one is there. I didn't see one person without any mistakes he grown. You are not doing mistakes means you are not growing. If at all, even though you are growing, someday directly from the top floor you will fall. Directly from the top floor you will fall. Without any mistakes you grown. You will fall immediately from the top floor. So keep doing. Mistakes will happen. Keep rectifying. Right? Don't stop in between. Mistakes happen. Don't cry. Right? Rectify mistakes. Move. Who is great here? Sir, I done mistake. Right? I done mistake. I want to cry. Who is not done mistake here? Who? Let me know. Show one person to me who is not done mistake. Everyone, whoever became successful, someone became successful means more mistakes he done. But interesting thing is, more mistakes he done means he got more learning, he done more improvement. Mistakes happen. If you are not improving, you never grow. Mistakes happening, right? Mistakes happening. You are not stopping. You are realizing, oh, these are the mistakes. You rectify and you grow. Right? Fine. Now come here. B minus A. What is the B? Last updated value is 2008 minus what is the A? 2000. I think it will give 8, but it is the size. But I want elements, na? So one element size 8 divided by 1. So see this one. From listen everyone now. Before 2008, From 2000, one element is there. The meaning of this one is before 2008. From 2000, how many elements are there? Simply number of elements present between them, excluding 2008. Including 2000, excluding 2008. So I think one element. Next one. Can you see this? Can you see this also? Star B minus C. B is 2008. Star 2008. The value inside 2008. What is the answer? 1012. Right? Minus 1000. Can you see once? It is 12. But remember, this is the size. Means memory. This much memory there. Between these two people, this much memory there. But I don't want memory. I want elements. See, 1000. It is the 1012. See this? 1000, 1012. Can you help me? Totally, if you observe clearly, 12 bytes of memory. Totally, if you observe, 12 bytes of memory. Right? But I don't want memory. I want elements. In this particular array, every element size is 4 bytes. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. It is going to be 3. If you want, you can verify. Before 2000, before 1012, before 1012, from 1000, 3 elements are there. Check. Before 1012, from 1000, 3 elements are there. Right? So 3. So from today onwards, remember, subtracting 2 pointers will give number of elements present between them, excluding the big pointer, including the small pointer. Next one. Simply, if anyone asks you what subtraction will do, simply say number of elements. If they ask clearly, then say excluding last pointer. Right? It means wherever last pointer is there, before that pointer, how many elements are there? Including the first pointer. So what is the meaning of first pointer, last pointer? Bigger one is, right, last pointer. Smaller one is first pointer. So before last pointer, from first pointer, how many elements are there? How much memory I don't want? How many elements? If anyone asks what subtraction will do in pointer, it will find out number of elements present between them. Is it so? Can you say clearly? Then say. So suppose that there is a P1, P2. Assume that P2 pointer is bigger. P1, P2, P2 pointer is bigger. You are doing P2 minus P1. What exactly it will do? Before P2, from P1, how many elements are there? It will give. Then they will ask you some example. You can give example. Right? Come to the next. So B is 2008. Star 2008. How much? Star 2008. How much? 1012. Star 1012. Because one more star is there. One more star is there. Star 1012. How much it is? Star 1012? 41. 41. So finally, if you see the output here, I think 1, 3, 41. First printf is this. Second printf is this. So if you okay, let me know. Don't think one problem only this much time, right? I am explaining the concept. It may be taken half an hour. I am explaining the concept. It may be taken half an hour, but when you are solving, it will take 2 or 3 minutes. If you do more practice, you can finish it within 2 to 3. If you don't do practice, if you go to exam directly, you will take 10 minutes. Maybe you will complete one problem, 10 minutes you completed. What you achieve? In GATE examination, everything should be done within 3 minutes. Then you are the winner. One problem itself, you are taking 15 minutes, half an hour. That means you are not done practice. Sir, it is really difficult. If really difficult, why are you doing? In exam, 65 questions are there. For one question, why are you keeping half an hour? If you keep half an hour for one question, what about remaining questions? When you are taking for one question half an hour, remaining questions are saying, "Arey idiot, we are 65. You have only 3 hours. For one question, you are giving half an hour. Then why are you writing exam? What about us? Every question is pointing you. Arey idiot. Arey buffoon. 65 questions are there. Only 180 minutes. 65 questions, only 180 minutes. Even you cannot take 3 minutes also, but you are taking half an hour. Every question is saying, hurry, man. 180 minutes, 65 questions. One question only, you are dancing from last half an hour with one question. What about us? They got to know you are not done practice. They got to know you are not written the mock test. If you don't written the mock test, how you know how to utilize 3 hours efficiently? Some people are saying after GATE exam is over, sir, Reddy sir, I think I am gone. Why? Why you gone? What is the reason? Right? The question, what they will say is, I think time is not enough. I think I completed only 50 questions. Remaining 15 questions I am not done. I done only 50. 15 I am not done. Why you are not done 15? So time is not enough. I want to kick him on his face. Just I want to jump. I want to kick on his face. Are idiot? Don't you know before exam itself you don't know. Exam time is 180 minutes. Before exam itself you don't know. Exam contains 65 questions. Without any planning, how can you go? Are you written any mock test? I asked him, are you written any mock test? I didn't return. Without writing mock test, how you know how to utilize the 65 questions, 180 minutes? How you know? So everything matters. Everything. No one will say, right? Write the mock test. Don't write the mock test. So 180 minutes, how to utilize efficiently for 65. Please write some mock tests. Please write some mock test. Some people are asking, mock test time not there. Complete now. That's what I am saying. Within 6 months. See, August ending or September ending, complete syllabus. August ending or September ending, complete syllabus. Then when you do, you will get lot of time for practice. Okay, anyhow, answer of this problem 0, 1, 20. 1, 3, 4. Sir, this problem taking lot of time. Of course, first time it will take half an hour. Second time it will take 10 minutes. Third time it will take only 2 or 3 minutes. When you do meaningfully many times, meaningfully, not by-hearted, it will take very less time. It is a wonderful problem. Trust me, it is a wonderful problem. Someone asking, Reddy sir, can you give your notes? What do you do with my notes? What do you do with these notes? With these notes, what do you get here? Right? In my notes is for my purpose. See, because of I am explaining, I may keep on do again. I will spoil the diagram. See, so many places I spoiled, but I have to explain. So that is the reason I done. If you take these notes, what you will get? Please try to make your own notes. Yesterday I am making one interview of one of the topper. Yesterday I am making the interview of one of the topper. I asked him, should I make, right? Every student should make their own notes, or they can take the my notes or someone notes. So he simply said that 1 time writing is equal to 10 times reading. 1 time writing is equal to 10 times reading. I request everyone, please write their own notes. When you are writing notes, you may be thinking time is wasted. How time is wasted? Because it is equal to 10 times reading. 1 time writing is equal to 10 times reading. Not only that, it is your own notes. Anytime you see, you will get your notes. If you see my notes after 1 month, you will die. See these notes after 1 month, you will definitely die. So this is a little better. Yesterday is very danger. Yesterday thing is, I feel more danger. This is the yesterday's thing. I thought yesterday is more danger. So remember, write your own notes. I'm requesting everyone. I don't guide students in the bad way. See, some coaching centers are teaching, right, in Hindi. For the admissions, they will do anything. Hindi they are teaching. It is too much. Teaching in Hindi is too much. Yeah, question paper is in English. How can you teach in Hindi? Yeah. And one more, if you go to any software company, every company will ask questions in the English only. Every company will ask questions in the English only. I never seen a software company interview. I never seen a interview in Hindi. Yeah. So if you keep on practicing Hindi, in the interview you will talk in Hindi, gone. You don't get increment, you don't get anything, because every time you are talking in Hindi. You are a CSC person, you are a technical person. Total question paper is in English only. Total question paper in English. How can you speak? How can you say in Hindi? Right? I don't want to comment other people. What I want to say is, I want to guide you in the nice way. Right? So please, right, lecture will be in English only. Next one, write your own notes. I will encourage Write in your own notes. If you really want, I am giving also. See, I'm sharing total last week notes I shared. This week notes also I will share. But however, I request, write your own notes. Can we move to next problem? Can we move to next problem? Can we move to next problem? Someone is saying, sir, if the address is not okay, let me write the same. Let me write the points. Note. Thanks for asking. Note. 1. 1. If you subtract 2 pointers, write these points. If you subtract 2 pointers, P1 and P2, within the brackets I am writing P2 minus P1. If you subtract 2 pointers, P1 and P2, that is a P2 minus P1, will give number of elements present between those 2 pointers. Write this also, between those 2 pointers, excluding P2, excluding P2, including P1, and including P1. So here conditions are, remember, conditions, remember, here conditions are 1, P2 is greater than or equal to P1. That is one condition. Otherwise, negative will come, right? P2 greater than or equal to P1. If you do P2 minus P1, P2 will be greater or equal to P1. Either both will be equal or P2 will be greater. And one more, P1 and P2 should point to same array. P1 and P2 should point to same array. There is no meaning of, see, there is no meaning of subtracting. There is no meaning of subtracting one pointer from here. See this one pointer from here, one pointer from here. There is no meaning of subtracting. Suppose assume it is P1. P1 is 1000. Assume it is a P2. So if I do P2 minus P1, it is a P1, it is a P2. So P2 is right 2040. P1 is 1000. So when you subtract, it became 1040. Should I divide by 8 or 4? I don't know, because here one element size 4. Here one element size 8. I don't know. What should I divide? Right? I cannot divide by 8 or divide by 4. I don't know. There is no meaning, first of all. Number of elements present between. See, this one. Number of elements present. In between, who is there? How I know? In between, who is there? How I know? It is starting from 1000. It is starting from 2000. It is starting from 2000. Who is there in between? So they both should point to same array. They both should point to same array. P1 and P2 should point to same array. Not same type also. Same array. Same array. Same array. If anyone says same type, P1 is belongs to one array somewhere, which is integer type. P2 point to some other array, which is integer type. They both are somewhere. In between, what is there? How I know? There is no meaning in that. So remember, if you subtract 2 pointers P1 and P2, right, that is a P2 minus P1, will give number of elements present between those 2 pointers, excluding P2, including P1. So I think diagram is like this. If you want, I will give diagram also. It is P1 pointing here. It is a P2. So P2 minus P1. If you do P2 minus P1, will give how many? Will give what? Will give this. P2 minus P1 will give this. This part they will give. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4. It will give 4. Excluding P2. Including P1. But remember, both should be, right? P2 should be greater than or equal to P1. That is the first thing. And both should point to same array. Not same type also. P1 pointing to integer somewhere, one array. P2 is pointing to some other array somewhere, which is also integer. But in between, what is there? How I know? So P1, P2 should point to same array. Right? Thank you so much for asking. Right. I think that is the first point. Next one. Can you see this? Can you see this also? One more point. One more point. Can you see this? In arrays, right? In arrays, A plus 1. Isn't that A is array? A is array. A plus 1 means skipping one element. In arrays, A plus 1 means skip one element. Right? Next one. A minus 1 means in array A minus 1. Skip one element. Here also. But here in forward direction. It is in backward direction. Right? So there is no assignment. That is true. In arrays, A plus 1, skip one element in forward direction, like this. Right? Next one, A minus 1, skipping one element in the backward direction, means like this. In arrays, similar way here also. Not only in arrays, similar way here also, 3. If P is a pointer, P plus 1 means same. Wherever P is a pointer, he will point. Wherever he is pointing, if I say plus 1, he will point to next element. Same story. Skip one element. In forward direction. So array also one type of pointer. That is the reason whatever happening here, same thing happening here also. Array also one type of pointer. Array means base address. Array means address. It is also one type of pointer, but some limitations are there. Because of array represent so many people, some limitations are there. So if P is a pointer, P plus 1, skip one element in forward direction. P minus 1, skip one element in backward direction. Many people know. If anyone don't know, please take these notes also. Note 1, note 2, note 3. Let's see the note 4. See the note 4. Note 4, everyone listen. P2 plus P1. Remember P1, P2 are pointers. P2 into P1. P2 divided by P1. Right? Can you see this? Can you see all? Can you see all? If you do like this, P2 plus P1, P2 into P1, P2 divided by P1. If you see this, let us assume, everyone observe, let us assume P2 is, assume that 2040 plus P1 assume, they are pointing to same array only. P2 is 2040, P1 is 2000. Both point to same array. But if you do 2040 plus 2000, it is a 4040. But what is the use? What is the use? You got 4040. I am very happy. But what is the use? It is 2040 into 2000. It is a very big number. What is the use? Next one, it is a 2000 and it is a 2040 divided by 2000. It is a 1 point something. That is okay. But what is the meaning? Remember, 2 pointers adding, no meaning in that. 2 pointers multiplying, no meaning. 2 pointers dividing, there is no meaning. Whenever meaning not there, if you try to perform, you will get error. It will say that invalid operation, something like that. It will say that invalid operation. It will say like that. Between two pointer, you cannot add because no meaning. Between two pointer, you cannot multiply. There is no meaning. Between two pointer, you cannot divide. There is no meaning. You will get a error. See, first of all, there should be a meaning. There should be a purpose. Then people are saying, then why are you subtracting? There is a meaning. What is the meaning? It will give number of elements. If I want to know between two pointer, how many elements are they? Do subtraction. What purpose you are adding? You only say, sir, if I do addition of two pointer, I will get this meaning. Then it is going to be valid. But they didn't find out anything valid. Anything advantage is there. Subtracting, multiplying, adding, dividing pointer. They are illegal operations. Illegal operations. They are illegal operations. So you will get error message. Let me know. I think this fourth point also take care. So these all are invalid operations. Invalid operations. So error message. Invalid operations. Invalid operations. Right? Be careful. Invalid operations. Error message, invalid operations you will get. Okay. Are you fine? Can we move next? One excellent problem we done. Some conclusions also we done. Using this, you can solve many problems. Using this, you can solve many problems. Can I move to next one? Can I move to next one? Make it fast. Can I move to next one? Hello, Bhaiya, hello. Hello, Bhaiya. Can we move to next one? Yes. Just give me 1 minute. I will complete this and we can go to the next one. It is really needed to us. We have to inform to students if any new batch is starting. So it will take 1 minute. It will take 1 minute. So these are our rankers, 2026 rankers. These are, I wish next year, 2027, your photo will be here. I wish strongly your photo will be here in 2027. These are 2026 people. For inspiration of you, I am showing all these things. Aman, All India rank 5th. Very soon you will see his interview also. His interview already done. Right. So these all people, one by one, I am taking this interview also already done. Right. One by one will come. Right. These all people. I want to see this person interview also already done. Right. Everyone interview you will see. But at a time keeping all is not good idea. So we are not keeping. One by one we are keeping. So I want to see all of you. Right? All of you I want to see in the next year toppers list. I want to see your name also here. This is not promotion. This is inspiring you. These are the toppers. I feel next year you should also be here. If you say to me, because of your toppers list, every time you are showing, because of that I inspired and I done this, I will be very happy. And if you like EPT classes, you can inform to your friends. Right? In your profile, you will see that there is a code. In your profile, you will see the one referral code. You can share to your friends. If they join using your code, you will get the 20% cashback. So right, today onwards, batch number 9 evening. Batch number 9 evening is starting, right? Batch number 9. So 70% discount going on. You people can utilize. And one more thing is, if you selected for any company, for the interview, we are going to conduct mock interview with the experts. Please let us know. We'll conduct the mock interview. If you selected for any company, you clear the written test and all, right? Interview you selected. Any company, whatever it is. It's a software company or PSU or IIT, whatever it is. right? If you selected for interview, mock interview we will conduct with the experts. Please let us know, we are going to conduct. Next one. So total C programming course is free for the CSE people. For the DA people, total Python course is free. That is, they both are available in the YouTube. You people can check. And those people who are writing Triple IT Hyderabad exam, if you are writing, 6 mock tests are free. Please utilize. 6 mock tests are free. You can utilize starting from April 15th. 15th onwards, mock test is going on. You people can utilize. But those people who are writing, right, Triple IT Hyderabad exam, right, you can utilize. You can join the combo courses. You will get the all benefits, right? You can join the combo course. You will get the all benefits, right? Next one, you can go for RIC combo, where other than the actual course, remaining all you will get. If you go to the regular course, right, you will get the other than RIC and test series, you will get all. Foundation also same, but 2-year course. You select whatever course you like. It's up to you. But if you take the combo, you will get all. Right? If you take the regular and foundation, you may miss a few things. Select whatever you feel. And every weekend there is a mentorship session. I request everyone, please attend the mentorship session, where we are going to say, are you lagging or not? Are you lagging? Are you okay? Are you going to get nice rank or not? We are going to guide you. Every week we will give target to you. Every month we will give target to you. I request everyone, please attend. Many people are attending. Last week I seen approximately 50 people. There are so many shifts are happened. Approximately 50 people came. 50 people we guided. So I request everyone, please utilize. Don't cry at the end. At the end, don't say time is over. Some subjects are left out. Time is over. I am unable to do practice. I don't want last few months crying. That is the reason I started this. Free resource. Any subject is over, go to verified question. 300 good questions are there. You can practice. PYQs also available. You can practice. AR1 notes also available. You can utilize. Don't depend fully on this because it is someone else's notes. Don't depend on that. You can utilize. Doubt solving. I request everyone, please start solving the doubts. Please start solving the doubts. So if you join the EPT classes, you will get the live plus recorded. So daily quizzes are there, going to start very soon. Next one is doubt support is there, right? PYQs. So mentorship and structured planning. So these are our placement people. So if anyone is preparing for placements, right, these are the people who taken our placement course and who placed in the big companies. Next one is right, you can, if you are preparing for placement, you can join this one. Master DSA and system design with the placement and internship. DSA Super 50 practice course going on, right? So 50 best interview questions will be done, right? Yeah, thanks for cooperation. Now start now. One more nice problem is coming. Can you see this? Very nice problem. Let me write the problem. I am writing the problem. Let me write the problem. We will announce in the group. Can you see the next problem? It's a very interesting problem. See this. Main char star A is equal to, I think if you see buffalo pig dog, some strings I have to write. I written all my favorite strings. Papa, bacha, Modi ji, Next one is Didi ji. Buffalo, pig, dog, papa, bacha, Modi ji, and Didi ji. Total 6. I think 6 strings I want to write. I may be written 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. By seeing Modi ji, I thought of writing Didi ji also. Yeah, it's fun. Let's have fun. Let's go to next. If you want to write, if you want to say something, please say to me. I will write that also. Char star star b is equal to a plus 2, a plus 3, a plus 6, a plus 5, a plus 1, a plus 4. Yeah, 7 people. Perfect. Next one. Char triple star c is equal to b. Next star 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 c plus plus next printf percentage s star star c plus 3 plus 2. Next one star 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 c plus 2. So printf percentage c star 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 c plus 2 plus 5. So next one is star 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 plus plus c. Next one printf. Oh, okay. So printf percentage s star star c plus 2 plus 2. End of this. It's a very nice problem. It's a very nice problem. Can you people try? Can you people try this? It's a very nice problem. Can you people try this? So I will give the numbers also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally 9 statement. Totally 9 statement. Please can you try this? Please can you try this? It is one of the nice problem. If you can do this, trust me, if you can do this. आज सर ने मैम की बात बोल दी, मन की बात बोल दी. ओके, मन की बात. ओके, फाइन. थैंक यू. So he's saying that Modi supporter, add whatever you want. If I am Modi supporter, why I written Didi are idiot? I written Didi also beside. If I am Modi supporter, why I written Didi? Are Gootle? I want to write Gootle also. Is there any string Gootle? No Gootle. I want to write Gootle also. If I am Modi ji fan, why I written Didi? They both are enemies, right? Modi ji, Didi ji, both are enemies. Why I written Didi ji? Are Gootle? Then you may say that why you didn't written Rahul ji? So am I managing all political parties or what? It is a C program, yeah. You may say that if you are not Modi ji supporter, why you didn't written Rahul ji? Why you didn't written Rahul ji? I am not right. I am not running all political parties. It is a C program, yeah. It is a C program. So I am not running all these things. Then write Raghav Chadda. Then write Raghav Chadda. I made somewhere Raghav Chadda video also. I made Raghav Chadda video also somewhere. Right, perfect. Can you concentrate instead of concentrating on me, instead of targeting me, and instead of targeting Modi ji and Didi ji, can you concentrate on C program? Bhaiya, can you concentrate on C programming one time? Please concentrate. Make it fast. It is a very nice problem. It is a very nice problem. It is a very nice problem. Can you concentrate on this? This problem, listen, this problem if you can handle, I'm saying very clearly, this problem if you can handle, total pointers you are perfect. Some people are asking, sir, how I know total pointers I am perfect or not? At any point of time, if you get doubt, pointers I am okay or not, open this problem and check. Open this problem and check. At any point of time, if you feel pointers you are okay or not, anytime. Tomorrow gate exam, today you have doubt. Tomorrow gate exam, today you have doubt. Then what you do is open, right? Open this problem and verify. Open this problem and verify. Remember, so many traps also there, please verify. So many traps also there, please verify. It is a homework. Tomorrow we'll solve this. It is a homework. It is a homework or room work, whatever you can call it as. It is a homework. Tomorrow, as soon as we'll start, we'll solve it. First 10 minutes or 15 minutes discussion is this only. First 15 minutes or 10 minutes discussion is this only. Tomorrow, do whatever you want. Tomorrow, do whatever you want. 6 o'clock, I will start. Tomorrow, you will see my professionalism. Tomorrow, you will see my professionalism. Exactly 6 o'clock. Exactly 6 o'clock. I will start solving this. I don't say good morning also. Tomorrow, I don't say good morning also. As soon as I came. As soon as I came. As soon as I came. Right? Someone is saying when C will finish. You will get to know. You will get to know. I think in my opinion, I think 20 it will be over. 20 it will be over. 20 of this month. Please plan accordingly. So C programming farewell class is there on 20 of this month. Right? So please check yourself. Sir, second output, I don't know. Second option. What is the second option? Homework or room work? Someone is saying second option, homework or room work. At what time you get up? Surrounding 6. Surrounding 6. Surrounding 6. So tomorrow, pakka, you will see my professionalism. Exactly 6 I will start. Exactly 6. I don't say good morning also. As soon as I will start, I will write the date. I will keep on explaining this problem. First 15 minutes, this only. Thank you. See you in the next class. This is the homework. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much. It is a nice problem. Please try. No, I mean the C programming question. C programming question, second option. What is the second option? Bhaiya, second option kya yaar? Arey Bharadwaj, say properly man, second option you written. No, I mean the C programming question. Say clearly. Say clearly, Bhaiya. Bharadwaj Bhaiya, say clearly yaar. The second printf, oh, perfect. Second printf percentage C star C plus 2 plus 5. See, I think bracket is there. 2 stars bracket is there. Star C plus 2 bracket is there. Lastly, star left hand side plus 5 right hand side. Printf. It's a very nice problem. It's a very nice problem. Right? It's a very nice problem. You try first. You try first. Don't use ChatGPT. Maybe that is correct. I don't know. Maybe that is correct. I don't know. Fine. Thank you. Thanks everyone. See you in the next class. See you in the next class. Tomorrow sharply 6 o'clock you will see. Chalo.